When you see angel number 111, just know that your dreams are becoming your reality and fast, way faster than you expected. Hey y'all, it's Taleh and welcome. Hey y'all, it's Taleh Anika. Welcome to my sanctuary where I'll put you onto all of my secrets and help you step into your fullest potential. Now, let's see what 111 is bringing you. So before I get started with the actual messages that angel number 111 brings you, I just want to let you know that it's really important to pay attention to your thoughts, your emotions, and your current circumstances. What the hell am I talking about? Your current circumstances that are surrounding you, because that's going to tell you way more than any YouTube video or any blog site will tell you, and that's the tea that they don't tell you, okay? Your actual personal experience when seeing these numbers is what's going to tell you everything that you need to know. Just because when you see this number, yes, there are general meanings to it, but a lot of the times there's some hidden meanings that you have to dissect yourself. So really pay attention to how you think, how you feel, and to what you're going through when you see these angel numbers in your reality. So we're going to just start by breaking down the number 1. So the number 1 in numerology is kind of like that masculine energy, okay? That ego energy, that action. In numerology, number 1 is like the father. Number 1 signifies new beginnings and new phases in your life. Exciting. Number 1 also represents a motivation, self-leadership, and leadership in general, and also intuition. So now moving on to the actual messages that angel number 111 brings for you. The first message is rapid manifestation. Your angels are letting you know that whatever it is that you seek is seeking you too, okay? Whatever it is that you have been wanting to manifest, or whatever it is that you've been setting your intentions on, it is coming to you. So get prepared, get ready. When you see angel number 111, this is also your angels telling you to be present in the actual reality around you, okay? Be present in the world around you. A lot of the times, from my experience, when I see angel number 111, it's because I'm like dozing off, or I'm kind of just living in my head and I see 111 from, I don't know, on a license plate or on a billboard, and I feel like that's my angels kind of just being like, listen, Taleh, come back into reality. Stop worrying, stop overthinking, stop making up fantasies and scenarios that haven't even happened yet. Live in the present moment and enjoy this present moment, because once it is gone, it's gone and there's no getting it back. The only time that exists is this moment right now. The future's not here and the past is already gone, so dwell in the present. Angel number 111 is letting you know that you're entering a brand new phase. So whether that's in career, love, financial, situations, whatever it is, just know that this phase of your life is a brand new phase of your life. You have graduated, so congratulations. You graduated to the next phase, and angel number 111 signifies that. This is your angels letting you know that we got some new things on the way for you, okay? New people, new money, new love, new job, new everything, okay? Just new, okay? 111 is a very exciting number, because that just means that there's mad universal presence on the way to you right now. Number 111 is letting you know that whatever you were seeking is seeking you too, okay? So if you want some new love, if you want some new money, if you want a new job, whatever it is that you want and it's new, it's coming to you. It's on the way. This is letting you know that you've done the work to raise your vibrational frequency, and now you are attracting things that actually match your new vibrational frequency. So congratulations. You are manifesting new things into your life really quickly, so it's important to focus on success. Focus on what it is that you actually really want to attract into your life, because it's coming. It's coming. Angel number 111 is also telling you to listen to your intuition, okay? Either there's a warning that's coming, or there is some type of confirmation that's coming. So if you've been feeling a type of way in your gut, in the pit of your soul about something or about someone, angel number 111 is letting you know that, listen, you were 100% right. Listen to your intuition. Or it's telling you to listen to your intuition because there's something that's coming in, some type of information or some type of message that's going to be coming into your reality that you need to be paying attention to. Also, if you guys are getting any value out of this video, don't forget to subscribe and join the Soul Tribe and leave some feedback with a like or a comment down below. Angel number 111 also signifies your spiritual awakening or enlightenment. This is kind of your divine team saying, listen, I know things have been, shaking the room a little bit, but everything is okay. You are fine. We are here. You are fully supported. Keep going even when it gets hard. And if it does get hard, feel free to reach out to us. So those are all the messages that I have for angel number 111. Those are all the messages that came through. I will see you all in the next video. Later.